Hey traders, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you the scoop on this week's coming blog. As always, you can find this newly released blog at tradeideas.com/blogs. So for this week, I wanted to dive into 2023 and how the impacts of last year has affected our stocks today. Now, whether you've been trading for years or it's your first time or you're coming back, the market has changed tremendously since last year. And that's why this week I wrote about the top 7 stocks you need to look out for in 2023. Now, these 7 stocks are not going to be talked about in this video because I don't want to give it away. I want you to go read it. But these 7 stocks are all across the board when it comes to predictability. There are some huge stocks and big companies that you would not think would be moving right now. There are some up and coming things you have not even heard about. And there are some stocks making some serious comebacks. So go check it out, read today, and see what stocks you need to look out for this year.